Custom lists help us work with large sets of data by allowing us to create different views of the same worksheet. We have a worksheet here that has a lot of information. When we work with it, we don't always want to see all of the information. For example, maybe we'd like to see the quarterly and yearly totals without seeing all of the details in between. If we go up to the View ribbon, we'll notice a Custom Views button. Now what we'll do is we'll hide the rows that we don't want to see in our first custom view. So I'll select the first few rows, hold the Control key, and select the rest of the rows that I want to hide. And the shortcut key for hiding rows is Control 9. Now we'll save this as a custom view. I'll click the Custom Views button, and I'll click Add. And we'll give our custom view a name. Maybe I'll call this quarterly/yearly totals, and click OK. Now we have our first custom view. Let's create another custom view that hides the details for the total expenses. So I'll select columns C, D, and E, and the shortcut key for hiding columns is Control 0. And let's go up and save this as a custom view. So I'll click the Custom Views button, and I'll click Add, and I'll call this income, expenses, profit, and I'll click OK. Now let's create one final view that displays all of our data again. I'll select the entire spreadsheet, and I'll right-click anywhere in the highlighted area and choose Unhide. Now sometimes this doesn't unhide all the columns, so I'll have to double-click between columns B and F, and that should bring back all my columns. And now I'll save this as a custom view. So I'll go up to the Custom Views button, and I'll click Add, and maybe I'll just call this Show All, and click OK. Now we have 3 custom views, and we can switch between our views by going up to the Custom Views button and selecting the different views and clicking Show. And I can go back to Show All, and everything's displayed again. But to make this even easier, we can add the Custom Views drop-down to our Quick Access toolbar. So if we go up to the Quick Access toolbar and right-click and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar, we'll make sure that we're only adding this drop-down for this specific workbook because it doesn't make sense to have these custom views in another workbook. So over on the right where it says Customize Quick Access Toolbar, choose from the drop-down this specific workbook. And then over on the left under Choose Commands From, change your drop-down to display commands not in the ribbon. Then we can scroll down the list to find Custom Views and double-click it to add it to the Quick Access toolbar and click OK. Now whenever we want to switch views, we can go up to our Quick Access toolbar, click the drop-down, and switch the views of our spreadsheet. It's that easy. Custom Views is a great way to add flexibility to your workbooks and save you so much time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you'd like information on how to attend one of our courses or speak with someone about software consulting or database support, hang tight and the information will pop up on your screen.